When you create something and it finally comes to fruition, it gives you a different sense of joy and just relief. And today I want to talk about my new prayer journal that is available on Amazon. I'm so excited about this. I created like a tool that would help us to really like communicate with God, like writing our prayers, writing what we hear from God, all the above. And yeah, I just wanted something that we could write into, because there's just something that happens when you are writing the vision down and making it plain. Also, another purpose of this prayer journal is to help and to support my content creation efforts, because the thing is that with content creation, it costs a lot of time and even money and resources. So if you want to support me, it would really help me a lot if you would purchase one of these prayer journals so that I can do more, because I really want to create content that will encourage people and inspire you on your walk with God, and even just your life, just, developing and all the above. So, as I said, like, this is available for purchase on Amazon. And if you comment the word journal in the comments below, I'll send you the link to where you can go. And so this journal is fulfilled by Amazon. Since these journals are published on Amazon, I get a percentage of the profit, right? Amazon needs to get their cut because they are printing and sending them out. So the prices are a little bit more than what you would pay for, say, a mass-produced journal, right? But if you want to support a small business, like, it would really help a lot. And let me tell you, like, these journals are really like produced and designed with care, because like each journal is about like for maybe 6 months. So you can write for each day if you choose, and on each page you have different Bible verses that I hope like will inspire you, and even just you can hear personally from God, because the word is living and active. And my prayer when I was creating this journal would be like, when you go on a page, it's what you needed to hear. Like when you read the Bible verse, it's what you needed to read for that particular day. So that's what I'm hoping will happen, and that it will be in like personal to you. Another thing is that these journals are available in hardcover and paperback, and the paperback costs a little less. I think like about half of the cost if you want to get something like that. But like, I really love the hardcover because you can just feel like the strength, and it lasts longer, I think. But it's up to you. Choose what you want. Now, the thing is that like this journal, I get it, it's so girly and flowers and everything. So I'm just like thinking about the men right now. You're probably like, that's nice, April. But for me personally, it doesn't work. you know I wish I had something that was a little bit more masculine. Well, turns out I do have a version that's more for men, more masculine. And even if it's like you want something that's plain, here you go. Well, it's plainer, like I did design this with purpose as well. Oh, and I should mention that on the back you have the full verse of Philippians 4 verse 6. See here, girly, and like with the men. So I think this works. I really tried to think of what maybe guys would like, and it wanted something that you could have as well. And you can purchase these books for yourself or as a gift for a friend, family member, the work. So go ahead and purchase and support. And I really do appreciate every support, and even just watching this video and letting me know what you think. There's more to come. I really believe there's more to come, so look out for that. But thank you for supporting, and I'll see you soon.